Hey everybody, it's Todd. Griddle More Tour 2023 in conjunction with Walmart, Fremont, Ohio, just off Lake Erie. We're setting it up.
Let's give it a try.
At 4:30 a.m. We've got these local fun folks. Raul is here, and there's so much that goes into this. We've got a trailer, we have a 26-foot truck, we have tables, we have tents, we have the spatula throne, we have pergolas, Jenga, and more excitement than you can shake a stick at. We have a lot of people to feed today, so we're heading into Walmart to buy some food. I'm ready for a little Toddelloni. So with the Toddelloni, I use the Rana Tortellonis. Tortelloni. Sometimes they have spinach cheese, other times they have cheese. Sometimes I have to go with chicken and mozzarella. Sometimes they're out of all of them, and I have to use ravioli. Tomatoes. I like these because you can pop them open, dump them on the griddle. Oh, Blackstone Betty approved. And you have to have garlic paste, baby. And we love baby spinach. I like to use a mix of Italian dressing with balsamic vinaigrette. And I use a lot of avocado oil as well as extra virgin olive oil. Italian seasoning. It has oregano, thyme, basil, and everything that makes Toddelloni Toddelloni. Griddle More Tour 2023. Better get primed. Woo, we're busy prepping food here in the trailer. I've got several gallon Ziploc bags ready to go. I've got everything portioned out, so when it's crunch time, I can really focus on entertaining the crowd, telling jokes, asking people questions, doing giveaways, you name it, and then the food's just second nature. You're just cooking it, you're just opening it and dumping it. Open it and dumping it. It's so easy. Probably have 20 pounds of food on here right now, so we're pushing the limits of what we can hold.
We just love the Blackstone. I mean, it is incredible. Like I said, we just drove an hour and a half to come see this, just to see what it's all about. You know, yeah. We just love it so much. I mean, it's literally everything we do is on the Blackstone. We follow him, and he inspires us a little bit on what I cook, and I want to come down and see him.
We got more. Oh, this is leprechaun. Wrapping up Griddle More Tour 2023, we had an amazing time. At every event, we had people from 3, 4, 5 states or more, even Canada. We got to meet Griddle Nation. We got to hang out with the Griddle crew. We talked to new griddlers. We talked to old griddlers. We talked to people that didn't even know what a griddle was. We had a blast. We handed out hats, food. We had fun, told a few jokes along the way. Had a good time.